Hello, this is Randy Ferdian. Today I'm going to show you one of my projects building mobile apps, Android and iPhone. S- Uh, this time I developed the apps using Appcelerator Titanium. This software is very good to beat the multi-platform issue. Uh, Appcelerator Titanium is very good to cross the platform. So many of us have seen that we got a gap between the technology today between Android and iOS. So, for example, if we build the Android native Android, the app cannot be used for the iPhone. So, if we build the iOS or iPhone app, it cannot be used on the Android. So, in order to bridge this gap, the Appcelerator uh, company uh, provide us another way to build the apps that can cross platforms. So by using the Appcelerator Titanium, once you write your programs, it can be used for any kind of platform. Uh, it can be used in Android, iPhone, or even in BlackBerry. So what you see right now is the database SQLite manager that I use. So this project is built for College of Business at West Texas A&M University. Actually, I just barely started, and then I designed it myself, and then talk with the professor who is in charge, and then they give the basic idea about this app, and then I try to develop it and design it, and basically this is just a first draft, and I just barely started. So this is the SQL manager. This is the data for student organization, faculty, and department. So this is the emulator for the Android. Uh, if I run the project, so if I minimize this, and this is the code that I wrote. It's about 1100 lines of code, so not too bad. So if I run this project, you can see this is loading right now. Yeah, it's called COB app, powered by Titanium, and this is the College of Business logo. So currently I have 4 pages, which is department, faculty, organization, and tools. So the department page will load the data from the SQLite database. So this department, faculty, and organization, like this page, department, faculty, organization. So if I click department and see, okay, CIDM. So this is the CIDM. So let's see what is inside. Yeah, we are pleased. So if I click the CIDM, so this is the description that uh, came from the database. Uh, and the faculty, let's see the faculty. Let's see the BAB. So this is the Dr. BAB faculty. We got the image, and then we got the faculty profile. Okay, so if I click Jeffrey Babb, this is the profile, email, name, Dr. Babb, and the photo that uh, came from the SQLite database. So if I go back, so basically what I store in the database for the image photo is just link. I do not store the real .jpeg uh, file. So if I click the organization, for example the Enactus, this is the Yeah, this is the Enactus logo. It just load up, so I have a problem with my memory in this computer, so it takes a while to load the data. So if I go back and then let's go to the tools. So here I have the map, which is the location map of College of Business at West Texas A&M University. So if I zoom in, it say the location, which is the College of Business in this building. So yep, and if I go back and then the Facebook notification, right now it's I'm using my own my personal Facebook because I do not have access to use the College of Business Facebook. And then for this time I just put the notification into the alert. So like I said, I just barely started this project. So if I click Facebook, currently I have logged in to the Facebook. So if I click it, it just pop up the alert. But if I have not logged in, it will bring the login window or login form, Facebook login form. So if I click the, and this is the notification, my personal Facebook. Okay, if I go to presentation, if I click the presentation,
accreditation that a business school can earn. It's a 6-year process. For most schools end up going through initial accreditation. There are 20 standards that a school has ended up going through and meeting. Those standards relate to teaching.
yeah, because my computer have the limited memory, so the video will not show perfectly. It yes, yeah, that was the presentation of College of Business. Always I have very good memory, so uh, we can see the video perfectly. So uh, so I go back. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day.